Alright, so today we're going to try this Diablo wheel cleaner, see if it works good. Got a decent bit of brake dust. I haven't cleaned it in about maybe a week, 2 weeks, so it's a decent bit. See how it works. You're supposed to wet the tires first and then apply the product. Just shake it up too, so I shook it earlier, so it should be good. I didn't turn my pressure washer on, but we're just going to rinse it off real good. I put ceramic coating on it last week, so it's like the water doesn't really stick to the wheels anymore. I like using the ceramic wash. Alright, so we set the nozzle to spray. That's what I've seen in a YouTube video. Just going to try this thing out. Got to pump it up first. It doesn't quite spray like I thought it would. I might put this in another bottle. I don't know how much of this shit you're supposed to put on here. So on the tires, get them clean too. It says I can put it on the caliper. So we'll see how that works. Alright, so we let it sit for a second. I'm going to scrub it in on the tires. Get a good, nice scrub in on there. I'll go ahead and rub some in on the wheels as well. I didn't realize it smells like bubble gum. It actually smells pretty good. And activate this cleaner. Alright, I'll let it sit for a few seconds, probably about 2 minutes. I don't know how long it's supposed to sit, but I don't want to leave it for too long. Go ahead and rinse it off. Nice good spray on it. I didn't really scrub it too hard. I just kind of did a light scrub just to see how the product works. Because typically I can scrub the brake dust right off with any soap, so I was trying to see how well the product removes brake dust itself. I'm going to get down in here in the caliper. I usually don't dry the wheels. I don't really care about water spots on here. We'll see how dirty this towel looks after drying it off. That'll show me how much product was left on, or how much brake dust was left after cleaning them. My wheels are starting to pivot. I didn't take good care of them last year, so I'm gonna get some new paint or some new wheels soon. So it looks like it did pretty good. The towel really isn't that dirty. I got a little black. It's probably in the corners where I didn't get good. Do a finger test. But yeah, nothing on there. So it works pretty good. Not bad. I think I used a little too much product. I might find a better spray bottle. It was like more of a stream coming out rather than a spray. So we'll try that.